Chapter 4 Fun with Paint. Important points. 1. How to paint. 2. Playing with tools. 3. Drawing with brush tools. 4. How to make a scenery. 5. Saving your work. 6. Opening a saved drawing. Dear friends, as you know, we don't need pencil, erasers or colors to draw a scenery while working with the computer. You have learnt about the Paint program. Let us learn more about it. Paint is a program used to draw and paint the images. Let's learn some of its tools. Tabs, ribbon, title bar, drawing area, control buttons, color palette, minimize button, maximize button, close button. Minimize button is used to minimize the paint window to the taskbar. Maximize button is used to enlarge the paint window on the whole screen. Close button is used to close the paint window. How to start paint. Let's learn how to start paint program. 1. Click on the start button. 2. Click on all programs. 3. Click on accessories. 4. Click on paint. Tools group. To draw a picture and color it, you will use the tools from the tools group. Fill color tool, text tool, pencil tool, eraser tool, color picker tool, magnifier tool, brush tool. Using the pencil tools. Pencil tool is used to draw a freehand drawing. Follow the given steps to use pencil tool. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Click on the pencil tool. 3. Click on the size tool to select the width of the line. 4. Click on color tool to select the color of the line. 5. Left click the mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area. Open Paint program and draw your dream house. Fill with color tool is used to fill color in the picture. First draw a picture and then follow the given steps to fill color in the drawing. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Click on the Fill with Color tool. 3. Click on Color in the color palette. 4. Left click the mouse button in the drawing area to fill the color in the drawing. Remember, you can fill colors only in the closed shapes. Color picker tool. Color picker tool is used to select the color from an existing drawing and copy it to another drawing. Follow the given steps to use the color picker tool. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Click on Fill with Color tool. 3. Click on the drawing from where you want to select the color. 4. Click on Color Picker tool. 5. Left click in the drawing where you want to copy the color. The tool changes into Fill with Color tool. You will get the same color in your drawing. Open Paint and draw a nice flower. Fill different colors in the flower. Drawing with the brush tools. Brush tool is used to draw images with different kind of brushes. The different brushes styles are brush, oil brush, watercolor, calligraphy brush 1, calligraphy brush 2, airbrush, natural pencil. How to make a scenery. To make a scenery, follow the given steps. 1. Click on Home tab. 2. Click Curved line from Shapes group. 3. Drag and draw curved lines as shown. 4. Click Pencil from the Tools group. 5. Drag and draw the trunk of the trees as shown. 6. Now make a hut with the help of rectangle and line tools. 7. Choose the airbrush from the brushes in Tools group. 8. Choose green color from the Colors group. Draw the tree on trunk. 9. Choose the Fill with Color from the Colors group. 10. Color your drawing as shown. Magnifier tool is used to see a part of drawing in a bigger size. Follow the given steps to use magnifier tool. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Click on the magnifier tool. 3. Click on the drawing to see it bigger in size. Eraser tool is used to erase a part or whole drawing. Follow the given steps to use eraser tool. 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Click on the Eraser tool. 3. Click on Size tool to select the width of the eraser. 4. Left-click the mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area that you want to erase. Open Paint program and make drawing using various tools and colors. Then use the Eraser tool to erase a part of the drawing. Open Paint program and make the following drawing. Now fill colors of your own choice to make it colorful. Then use the magnifier tool on it. Saving your work. When we have completed our drawing, we need to save it. Follow the given steps to save the drawing. 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Click on Save option. The Save As dialog box will appear. 3. Type the name of the file in the File Name text box. 4. Then click on Save to save the drawing. Opening a saved drawing. You can open a saved drawing again. 1. Click Paint button and then click Open. The Open dialog box appears. 2. In the Open dialog box, browse the location where you have saved your drawing. 3. Choose the drawing. 4. Click on the Open button. Your selected drawing will open in the print window.